Hi, today we'll be looking at Lesson 1 in our Preparing for College module. In Lesson 1, we will learn about how to start a CFNC account. CFNC stands for College Foundation of North Carolina. CFNC is a website where students and their parents can get information about planning, applying, and sources to pay for college. So today the objective of our lesson is to make a CFNC account and understand how to navigate CFNC. We will be using the CFNC website to do this, and I have included a link as you see. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. And this brings up our CFNC webpage. So if you're new to CFNC, the first thing that you want to do is you want to look here to your left and you want to click Create an Account. Once you do that, there's some steps that you need to follow in order to create your account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to go completely through those steps, but you will click on High School Student, and then there is a place for your birthday. This is one letter for the month with a slash, then one number for the day, then followed by a slash, and 4 numbers for the year. After you fill that in, then it's asking what middle school or high school do you attend, and you can use a find button to retrieve that information. You'll want to click on pre-K through 12th grade schools, and then you'll want to click in the box and just start typing in your school. So I'm going to enter West Caldwell, and you see it pops right up. So I just click on it and hit continue. Then you'll need to click the next box. This page is the next page that you need to use in order to fill out this information. There are several fields here, so we'll go over them briefly, but I'm not actually going to create an account, so I will just talk with you about the different fields. So first of all, obviously your first name, your middle name, your last name. Middle name is not required because you'll see that it is in black instead of in red. Then you'll select a year that you expect to graduate from high school. So depending on the year you select, it will actually tell you what grade you're in currently. Then you'll need to add an email. So for the email, if you add your school email, this would work fine, but once you graduate from high school, that school email will become inactive. So if you use a school email now, you have to make sure to change that before you graduate to a personal email. So it could be a very good idea just to use a personal email from the beginning. You will choose gender, and then you're going to create your account name and password. Note that you need to create a username and password that is 6 to 12 letters long with no spaces. And you'll enter that password twice to check that it is incorrectly. Then if you forget your password, they've set up a question, a security question for you to help you. So obviously pick one that you think would be best fit for you, and then you'll record the answer here in this next box where it says answer. As you move on down, you will include your address. You live in the United States, your address, your street, your city, the state that you live in, and then your zip code. And then if your mailing address is the same as your permanent living address, then you would just check this box and it will automatically fill in that information for you. So when you've filled in all these fields, you would just click Create Account. And hopefully you have completed this correctly and it will set up an account for you. Make sure that you record your account name and password. Make sure that you remember what the email address is that you have used to create your account. So that is a lesson on creating an account in CFNC.org.